Good morning. Today is October 6, 2002. Ready to start with our pre-market analysis. And let's go to our charts. Okay, let's start with the ES. Remember, the ES is the futures of the Standard and Poor's. Let's take a wider look. We started a big rally on Monday. We followed through on Tuesday, and now we started what it looks like a big range consolidation. The range, I would say, is between 37.55 and now 37.55 and now 38.10, 38.20, excuse me. We've tested 31.20 twice. Well, no, we tested 31.10 twice yesterday and the day before, and we got rejected at the same spot. We also test around 37.50, 37.40 and bounce from there. So those are going to be the two levels that we are going to be watching for either breakout or breakdown. In my opinion, we are gonna consolidate a little more, but the market is giving us a clue or a hint that it wants to go a little higher here. So remember that, in my opinion, until we are like, at least if we continue to be above this long-term downtrend channel line that is now like above 3,700, I'm bullish. We can have down days, but that doesn't mean anything in the big picture, because it means that we are consolidating and we have a big range to go back up. Only if we stay above 3,700. If we go down, then we might go test the lows and even farther down. But as of today, let's go with the pivot. My pivot today is gonna be 37.85. Okay. If we can reclaim 37.85, we're gonna have room higher to 37.95, 37.95, 38.10, 38.30, 38.55. 38.55 for me is a good spot for a pullback, but just again a pullback like we did yesterday, a healthy pullback. Everything cannot keep going up like vertical. It needs to consolidate and then goes back up. So if we are above the pivot, we're gonna be leaning on the bullish side and probably get to 38.30, 38.55, where we should expect a little pullback there. Okay. In the other hand, if we cannot stay above the pivot, or if we cannot reclaim the pivot, that is 37.85, right now is going up with the jobless claim, but we'll see. Then we have room to sell down to 37.80, 37.55, which is for me important zone. It should hold, and if it doesn't hold, we can have a more serious sell to 37.30, 37.15, and probably test 3,700. I don't think so. I think today is gonna be a more like bullish consolidation day, but let's see if we already know the pivot is 37.85. Above that we're bullish, below that we're bearish. Let's check out the SPY real quick. Remember, the SPY is the ETF that measures the Standard and Poor. Same drill here with the SPY. Our pivot is gonna be 377, 300, yeah, 377. Above that, we're gonna have room to 378, 380, 381.60, 382.80. If we cannot reclaim the pivot, then we have room down to 375.50, 374.50, 373.34, and 371, 372, and maybe 370. We don't want to go there, but like we always say, we go day by day, level up by level. We trade the trend and the levels. If we are above the pivot and it looks that is confirming to stay above the pivot, we're bullish. If we are below the pivot and we're confirming to be below the pivot, then we're bearish. For today, we have a few stocks on our watch list. The first one is Pinterest, PINS, gapping up because it was upgraded by Goldman Sachs. Target price was raised from 24 to 31. If we check the daily chart, the 1 year, 1 day, it reclaimed it 50 moving average line, now creating like it looks like a bull flag, and 20, let's put an alert here, above 2580 is the break of that bull flag, and it would be a nice spot to enter a probably I would say a midterm swing with a probably with a strike of 28 to 30. We also have crowd also wants to take back its 50 moving average. It's about 182. Above, I like it above 180. So I'll set an alert here. This one was also, I think, upgraded. We have Chewy also gapping up. I like it above 37.25. If we get there, we probably have room to 40. I would like this one for a midterm swing too. And we have MU. We've been in a trade for some time now. It looks very bullish after this huge drop, breaking the downtrend in the long term, it looks like. But to do that, it has to reclaim the, I would say, 57, 58 level. After that, it's going to have a big range back to, I would say, 68, 70. So alert here at 57. If we reclaim that level, we most likely going to go and test or reclaim the area of the 68 to $70. And we also, last but not least, we have, I lost it. We have Target. Target is very seasonal. At the end of the year, it's always very bullish. It also looks like it's creating a bull flag in the 1 year chart. Break at the 50, 58 area. If it does, it's gonna go, excuse me, and reclaim the 50 EMA at 160, then the moving average at 63, and probably move higher to 70. Target, let's check this one. I really like it. Only if we can get above half the day from yesterday. They was around 158.41. Let's put an alert there. And if it does, we might take probably next week's 60 or 62. Okay. Any questions here in the videos comment? I also leave the link for our free Discord channel where we share information, we help each other. A lot of traders there, uh, both in English and Spanish. So you're more than welcome to join and have a great day.